it's a natural conversation around them should be too. This Menstrual Hygiene Day, Radio City and Team Alembic, the makers of Krina NCR, invite you to join an open discussion on menstrual health, hygiene, and understanding your body better.
Alright, welcome to the period talk with the experts. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम सबसे आसान विषय जिसे समझते हैं कि यार बड़े नॉर्मल है, कई बार वो जब नॉर्मल से थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो जाते हैं ना, इतना शेम अटैच्ड होता है कई बार उस कॉन्वर्सेशन में कि हम उसकी बात ही नहीं करते. बट पीरियड्स ऑफ कोर्स इज समथिंग दैट शुड बी टॉक्ड अबाउट राइट व्हेन इट स्टार्ट्स टिल प्रॉब्ली व्हेनेवर. मेरी कोशिश यही रही है पैड यात्रा के साथ भी, और ब्रिंगिंग इन द राइट एक्सपर्ट्स ताकि आपको यहाँ वहाँ ना जाना पड़े. यही कोशिश रेडियो सिटी पर करती हूँ मैं, यानी कि दिव्या. एंड जॉइनिंग मी टुडे इज एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर फ्रॉम मैक्स वैशाली, डॉक्टर आस्था अग्रवाल. मैम, थैंक यू रेडियो सिटी आने के लिए, हमारे साथ ये कॉन्वर्सेशन का हिस्सा बनने के लिए. सो ग्लैड वी डूइंग दिस.
Thank you so much, Divya. It's been a privilege for me to be here on the studio, and मेरी हमेशा से यही कोशिश रही है कि मैं menstrual hygiene के बारे में लोगों को educate करूं. But it's something like it's a less talked about topic. I feel that way.
Yes.
So I hope that आज हम खुल के बात करेंगे.
मुझे लगता है ना डॉक्टर, कई बार क्या होता है कि लोगों को लगता है यार ये तो नॉर्मल पार्ट है हमारी लाइफ का.
Yes.
इतना नॉर्मल होने के बावजूद भी उसके बारे में बात करते हुए हमें सबसे ज्यादा शर्म आती है.
Definitely. A lot of people think that they don't want to discuss their problems with the gynecologist, not even with their parents. They always feel ashamed of telling about menstrual hygiene and menstrual cycle and everything.
So do you see that difference? I mean, ever since you've been practicing, कुछ change अब लगता है कि हाँ, mother और daughter इसके बीच में.
Yes, a little has changed from the time when I was doing my MBBS years back. That time I hardly used to find any patient जो मेरे clinic पे आके बोलता था कि I am having pain at the time of periods, या maybe I am having heavy periods. This was actually considered normal. But now, once people have started becoming more educated, आप लोग भी, you are spreading awareness, so that, had made a lot of impact, and people are actually talking about it.
फैंटास्टिक. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर हमारे बेसिक्स क्लियर है और हम ये चीज़ समझ जाएं दैट इट इज सो नॉर्मल फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, तो शायद ये हॉ वाला जो फैक्टर है तो हट ही जाए. मैम, आई थिंक सबसे बेसिक चीज़ जिससे शुरू करना चाहिए कॉन्वर्सेशन, व्हेन वी से यार मेरे पीरियड्स नॉर्मल हैं, व्हाट आर एग्जैक्टली नॉर्मल पीरियड्स एंड इज इट लाइक द सेम फॉर एवरीवन?
Yeah, so that's a very important question. Basically, normal menstrual cycle occurs every 21 to 35 days. Every 21 to 35 days में periods आते हैं. They usually last for 5 to 7 days for most of the people. And the flow, it can be, variable. किसी में flow is light, whereas there are certain people who have a moderate flow. But the pattern should be consistent. That is the most important thing. A woman should notice any change in the, consistent pattern which has been there in the menstrual cycle through the years.
और ये जो मेरा सवाल था कि मेरा पीरियड तो हैवी होता है, मेरा नॉर्मल होता है, ये अलग है सबके?
Yes, it is different for every individual. There may be a patient who is changing, maybe 10 sanitary napkins in the entire period, and there may be another one who is changing 5 to 6. Both are normal. But yes, if they notice that suddenly the change has happened from 10 to 20, then definitely it is something which has to be talked about or evaluated.
I was about to ask you the same thing कि अगर कोई massive change होता है,
Yes.
going down in terms of number of days
Yes.
or more,
Yes.
is it the time when I should see a doctor?
Yes, correct. If you are bleeding for less number of days, or if you are bleeding for more number of days, if there's heavy bleeding, or if there's severe pain, definitely it needs to be evaluated.
Supreme Court recently mentioned कि स्कूल में hygiene proper होना चाहिए, separate washrooms, compulsory sanitary napkins for students, which I think is a fantastic initiative. But सोचिए 2016 में हमने पैड यात्रा शुरू किया था as a campaign on city. 2026 जनवरी में रूलिंग आई है, but ठीक है, good things that we are moving ahead. क्या बेसिक चीजों का ध्यान में भी रखना जरूरी है मैम?
So basically, Supreme Court incorporated menstrual hygiene in Article 21, that is related to women's health. So उसमें क्या है, basically Supreme Court wants कि menstrual hygiene should be taken care of and everybody should be educated about it.
Yes.
Specifically in the schools. तो उसके ऊपर ध्यान रखना है. अगर मैं menstrual hygiene की बात करूं तो there are 4 to 5 points which every female should know.
Yeah.
During the periods, it is better that they change their sanitary napkins every 4 to 5 hours to keep up the hygiene. If you have been using menstrual cups or maybe tampons, you have to see the guidelines, and according to that only you have to use it. Third thing is, it is always advisable to use and wear a breathable cotton undergarment that will help prevent infections. And also proper disposal of sanitary napkins should also be taught about in the school. That's very important.
Yes. I think एक चीज ये हो गई कि बहुत जगह पे सैनिटरी नैपकिन वेंडिंग मशीन्स तो लग गई है,
Correct.
बट इंसिनरेटर्स या उसे डंप कैसे करना है वो किसी को नहीं
Yeah,
पता।
that is also one thing which has to be taught to the kids. That's very
Yes.
important.
Something that we miss on is the food. क्या खाने में change होना चाहिए when
Yes, definitely. When it comes to women's health, a lot of women in India especially are iron deficient. Specifically, if you're having your periods which are heavy, then you can have iron deficiency anemia. There can be thyroid issues attached with it also. They are usually deficient in calcium. So, this has to be taken care of. Agar diet nutritious hai, if they're having good amount of iron content, protein content, calcium, then definitely it's easy at the time of periods. But a lot of, mothers, they come with their kids who have just started having periods, and, they will have fatigue and giddiness. Unko weakness लगती है. The moment they start having their periods, these girls will have, we don't want to go to school. So this happens. That's all because of low nutrition.
न्यूट्रिशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है। हम क्या खा रहे हैं, और स्पेशली पीरियड्स के टाइम में, लाइक मैम मेंशन, इतना हैवी ब्लड अगर किसी को जा रहा है, खाना भी तो उतना चाहिए है। मैम एक चीज़ है, हम एड्स में देखते आए हैं कि मैं उड़ना चाहती हूँ और सैनिटरी नैपकिन के साथ एक लड़की की फिजिकल एक्टिविटी हमेशा क्वेश्चन में रही है। हाउ मच कैन वी और हाउ should we or should we not be physically
Yeah. During at the time of periods, there's no reason that you have to stop your regular physical activity. अगर आप regularly gym करते हैं, regularly exercise करते हैं, you should continue with that. If you're feeling it uncomfortable, if you're having pain, then you can kind of take a pause and stop it for 2 to 3 days. But then medically, there's no reason कि you should stop doing your day-to-day activities.
एक चीज़ ना हमेशा एक पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन रही है कॉर्पोरेट्स में, हमारे ऑफिसेज में भी, स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस में, हमारा पीएमएस। कई बार लोग उसका मजाक भी उड़ा देते हैं।
Yes.
बट क्या पीएमएस में ये मूड स्विंग्स होना, इज इट अ थिंग ऑफ जोक और इज इट रियली हैपनिंग?
PMS is actually a reality. It does happen. Some amount of fatigue is always there with the periods, and some amount of mood swings is also there. As a doctor, I feel that it is something which is usually ignored, and people, make fun of it. Arey, period start ho gaye, now she's going to take leave. It's not like that. If somebody is feeling off at the time of periods, I think the colleagues and the office or the work environment should be that supportive that they should be like okay. And in fact, all the offices I feel should have a period leave. 2 से 3 दिन का, so that at that time maybe the girl feels empowered, like आज मेरी मजे करने हैं. That is what I feel should be there.
लोग समझते नहीं है, people think कि बहाना है। मुझे लगता है कि लड़की जब वापस काम पे आती है वो डबल काम करती है।
Yes, correct.
उसको एक दिन अगर वो रेस्ट मिल जाए, because sometimes I feel that my legs go really heavy. It's so difficult to walk around some days, but that's how it is. मैम कुछ basic tips हैं जो शायद mothers देख रही हो for their daughters, जिनके शायद initial periods हैं, some things that they should keep in mind.
This this is something which is like आजकल क्या हो रहा है ना, I have patients who are just 8 years or 9 years and they are starting periods, and that happens because हम बच्चों को मोबाइल दे देते हैं अर्ली स्टेजेस पे. वी आस्क देम टू दे कैन कीप ऑन वॉचिंग टेलीविजन लेट नाइट. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच हैज़ टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. इफ यू वांट दैट योर child should start menstruation at a perfect age, maybe 11 or 12 years, then you should start उनके न्यूट्रिशन का ध्यान रखना है. You should incorporate healthy habits, healthy lifestyle, should take care of the exercise, and ask them screen time should be limited. That's one thing which is very, very important these days.
I think ask any doctor, any subject, any field. This is what everybody's been saying. आपकी नींद ठीक होनी चाहिए, आपके बच्चों की, और ये ब्लू लाइट से जितना बच सके हम नहीं बच पाते हैं. That's a different story. Ma'am, because you're here and we've been talking, अगर somebody who's in the corporate run, हम लोग का work life balance खराब है, lifestyle खराब है, हमारा nutrition खराब है, are periods also getting affected more that you see in, say, in women in 30s and 40s now?
Yes.
और क्या करना चाहिए फिर?
This has been happening since the last 4 to 5 years. What has happened is, like earlier I used to see patients who were more than 40 years coming with PMS, but now I see patients, at the age of 35 itself, they will start having premenstrual syndrome. They'll have fatigue. They are, at the time of periods, they'll say कि हमें तो जाना ही नहीं है. Doctor, can you write advice rest for 5 to 7 days? Or they are passing huge clots at the time of period. This has become very frequent these days. So I feel, proper nutrition again is the key for this. And also the number of hours you are working. Stress reduce करना है, caffeine intake reduce करना है, lifestyle changes देखना है. And if you're feeling that there's something which is off, which is something which was not there and now suddenly it has happened, definitely you should meet a doctor rather than presuming that it is normal. That is also one thing, no? Because if we diagnose a thing early, it can be treated early. That is also
Absolutely.
one thing.
And in that case, ma'am, extension of that would be अगर बच्चा है आपके घर में, बेटी है, when do I know कि इसको डॉक्टर के पास ले जाना है, especially when it comes to the cycle?
Yes. For all the kids, I would recommend that all the mothers should take their kids to the doctor the moment they start having their periods. Reason being because we need to assess whether the child is iron deficient, how much is her nutrition level, whether her periods are getting prolonged, is she properly able to understand what the periods are, and
Yeah.
most important, is she able to manage her hygiene during periods. The kids will also have a hygiene problem at the time of menstruation. They don't know how to apply the menstrual pad, they don't know what are they get scared at times.
Yeah.
So that's one thing.
And I think expert advice, जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं एक रेगुलर डेंटिस्ट है या एक आपके रेगुलर आई चेक्स है, आपके पास अगर एक गायनी है जिनके पास आप रेगुलर विजिट कर रहे हो to keep a check on your things, I think it's fantastic. Ma'am, before I let you go, any final words for anybody who's watching this, especially अपनी women health को लेकर?
Yeah, only one thing which I would like to stress upon is that menstrual hygiene is nothing to be, you should not feel shameful about it.
Yeah.
You should talk about it openly, and definitely if you're feeling that there's something which is not there before, instead of speculating, discussing with your friends, finding answers on the Google, it is better that you visit a gynecologist. We are not that furious that you can't discuss things with us regularly or openly.
I think डॉक्टर्स के पास जाते हुए थोड़ा डर लगता है,
Yes.
and with gynec I think कई बारी ना एक shame attach इस चीज पे भी होती है,
Yes.
मैं gynecologist के पास गया.
Yes. Even one thing, although this is a show on menstrual hygiene, but I feel really bad seeing that there are a lot of patients who have unwanted pregnancy, especially if they're not married, and they hesitate so much to discuss it with the gynecologist, just thinking that we'll be judgmental about it. It's
Yeah.
not like that.
Yeah.
Instead of landing up in some catastrophe, it is better to see a doctor.
I think that is what matters. If you keep worrying about the judgment, you will delay a lot of things in life, and that is not right. Ma'am, thank you so much for this conversation. ये briefly जो conversation गई है, ये एक बहुत important मुद्दे पे की गई है, क्योंकि हमारी पूरी life cycle उस पे बैठी है. Periods are not shameful. You should be aware so that you're आप correct measures ले सकते हो जब जरूरत हो. Dr. Asta Agrawal joining in. Thank you, ma'am, one more time. And if you like the conversation, you should share it with people who probably need it. Thank you for watching this.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Divya. Thank you so much.